its agricultural riches. India is known for its cultural and spiritual blend with nature. India's agricultural tapestry is woven from the threads of ancient traditions and practices. The country embraces farming as a divine way of life, a celebration. In the hands of Indian farmers, the earth awakens to life, yielding an incredible array of crops and a remarkable variety of spices. The ancient Indians blended science with nature for centuries, creating premium spices, fragrances, and nutraceuticals. Ancient manuscripts extolled this tradition, attracting merchants from around the world to the spice route. Today, the natural extracts and spice trade remain a cornerstone of India's global economic growth. Driven by a passion that merges with the essence of this land, Greenleaf Extractions was established in 2010 in Cochin, Kerala, as a reliable supplier of natural extracts like oleoresins, essential oils, nutraceuticals, and other flavor ingredients. A distinct approach to the value chain, streamlined processes, and a strong commitment to quality make Greenleaf Extractions a trusted partner for global brands seeking a diverse array of natural ingredients, flavors, and fragrances. With its advanced R&D facilities managed by a brilliant team, the company continually innovates to align with the changing business spectrum. Greenleaf Extractions directly procures raw materials from the farmers, ensuring consistent quality of products right from sourcing. This system of backward integration through harmonious partnerships with the global farming community contributes to the agricultural panorama while ensuring the betterment of the farmers involved. The company tirelessly works to minimize its carbon footprint by implementing eco-friendly practices. The commitment of Team Greenleaf to sustainability is woven into every aspect of its operations, from seed to shelf. Greenleaf Extractions ensures fast delivery with a wide range of customization. The company consistently achieves some of the shortest order processing times in the industry by leveraging expertise, innovation, and a customer-centric approach. As the demand for natural ingredients in healthcare, personal care, and culinary applications continues to rise, Greenleaf Extractions has proactively adapted by investing in research and development of innovative processes to expand its product offerings and adapt to the evolving markets. By enhancing its capacities, expanding the product portfolio, and streamlining operations, Greenleaf Extractions is building a culture of quality, reliability, and sustainability. Guided by inspiring leaders, the company continuously seeks novel development opportunities and relentlessly works to expand its global footprint, driving success for its clients while ensuring a positive impact on the communities and ecosystems it is connected to. Greenleaf Extractions Private Limited, rooted in nature, driven by passion.